Good morning, fellow members of this committee and supporting staff, and to my partners in development. Good morning. This is scheduled bid opening for one civil works in one goods will now come to order. Let's start with the opening of the procurement of the civil works, one project in based on records of our secretariat to receive single or one prospective bidder, one envelope of a prospective bidder. It's a joint venture between East EG and Ebro Construction. So we now open the envelope. So for the original technical component, block bounded, with lift tags in or in capital letters.
For copy one, the same specifications with the original copy. Then we cut it on.
Okay, so we'll proceed. And since due to some technical problem, we'll examine the technical component of the bid manually. So we'll start with the examination of the documents from the legal documents, starting from field trips and the other documents. Okay, so for field trips registration, uh, the field trips registration of HAG construction in aggregates is valid until February 19, 2026. And for Kepler construction, valid until the 29th of May 2025. For BTI certificate, SAG construction and aggregates valid until July 2, 2026. And for Kepler construction, May 27, 2025. Business permits, respectively, for SAG, valid until December 31, 2025, issued by the municipal government of Sablan-Benguet. And for regular construction, same validity. The permit is issued by the municipality in Bakit. Tax clearance for SAG construction, valid until December 20, 2025, and then for Hitler construction in enterprise, valid until April 15, 2025. So next is the special contractor's license for the joint venture. The validity period starts from March 4 until 2025 until March 4, 2026. So the individual contractor's license, also attached. So for SAG construction in aggregates, the validity is until July 3, 2027. And for Effler construction, November 22, 2025. Okay, so for statement of all ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, Effler construction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, five projects. Um, it's between for the first project between DPWH-Benguet first, District Engineering Office. So it is second project, third with this office until the fifth project. That's supporting documents, no contracts. Mhm. Presentation and other supporting documents is for the government I ongoing contracts, the government in the vehicular construction and for the statement of single largest completed contract for vehicular construction, uh, may isa with amount of 29 million. Ano, this, and it went to is it 296,830. Kanino ito kay SAG Construction? 296 million. The project is roads and bridges, BIP. Ano bang tumulpos ito kung kaya ba may Bibiskaya road? Paano ba ang complication nito? And then for floor construction, meron siyang matapos na worth 29 million. Uh, road construction. So, until we determine the major works that will be needed. Let's see that one. Sure. So 30% for Hitler. Among 29 million, about the 296 million. But the amount we are, the amount of the contract for this procurement is 96 million.
Since past
Okay,
construction of road.
so it is then okay for this requirement, the single largest. It is still subject for the computation of the DWG. Okay, so let's proceed. For the next requirement, uh, rate security and rate security in the form of a rate securing declaration authorized by Tony Lapas, the contractor's organizational chart for the contract. The list of key personnel proposed to be assigned to the contract. Key personnel certificate of employment and commitment or from the contract, notarized, same lawyer. Certificate of accreditation of the proposed materials engineer, valid until July 13, 2025. Next, list of contractors, major construction and laboratory equipment units to be assigned to the contract. So for all various under lease, one unit will compressor and the purchase agreement now with the supporting documents, deed of sale, pictures of equipment, description, certificate of registrations in special receipts issued by the Land Transportation Office. Yeah. The supporting document, that's as cash invoice, and the concept of material testing equipments amounting to 450,000. Another one, for one unit compactor in one unit pneumatic drilling machine. So, rest of materials testing equipment unit, Next is contract of agreement or lease agreement between the contractor and Void Flame Cubos for the equipment under lease, 1 unit compressor, air compressor. So notarized with the participating documents. Oops, sorry. Next, the omnibus zone statement updated, and then the attached copy of the Philippine bidding documents. That's okay. So, in pasado, it's received with the opening at the financial component. So for the regional financial component, this will be switched with that of the technical component.
The same with copy one.
Okay, so let's proceed. With the table of content, bid form, bill quantity, summary of bid prices, April estimate, summary of the cost of materials, labor rates and equipment rentals, and then the cash flow with 296 gallon loadings. Okay, so let's take a look at the bid offer. The amount of bid is 96,487,467 pesos and 73 centavos. 96,487,467.73 and the discount is 1% from bid amount. 0.1%. Let's compute.
Point one percent. So agad i-list mo dun. So 29%. Siya, dede. Kaltas mo. Point one. Ano sunod? In-multiply natin, kiltasan natin, bin natin. Minus 0.1 is 199.
0.1% and pwede na 0.001 discount na.
Kasi
I-compute nyo. At balik nga 0.11. At balik nga 0.11 nita.
Ewan mga pa. Kamaling nga kayo dyan.
0.001 discount na.
Kaya po kuman minus ko nun. Minus
0.1% of the bid amount. At sa kami dito, di ba ka dyan bayad sa doktor medyo na basa-basa.
May sa akin na sila, sir.
96.7.
I want the 0.1% na nanay mo dyan.
so variance of the bid amount is negative 0.11%. In loan bidder, joint venture of SAG Construction in Aggregates and Hefler Construction in Enterprise, posing as the lowest bid subject to further bid evaluation and post qualification. Okay, so let's proceed with the opening of the goods. So thank you for the participation from this civil works. Okay, so ilang suppliers, one envelope, ano naman? Okay, so let's now open the bid of the supplier for the goods. Sino ang supplier niya? A Surge Tech Office Supplies and Equipment Trading. Kindly open the envelope. Sales. TVRG. Third. Original difference. Side na. Components, bonded with left tags in all in capital letters.
Same with copy one.
Okay, so proceed with the examination of the technical component. Let's start with the legal documents. Uh, it's valid sales registration kasi is valid until April 25, 2025. The technical documents. List of ongoing government and private contracts. So for government, none. Private, none. SLCC for government, procurement, and ICT equipment, and if in the amount of 981,500 pesos between the either in this office. Another one is the same procurement of ICT equipment with the amount of 807,000. The attached documents, that's our PO, TP, the labor receipts, and other smoking documents. Next, bid security, and it's in the form of bid securing declaration notarized by attorney mediation. Next, the technical specs. So, statement of compliance, complying lahat. Sinulat na. Okay, so maybe about brochure in specs technical specification of the product to be delivered. The manpower and organizational structure, warranty certificate, next the omnibus term statement, dated, the net financial contracting capacity, and with the amount of 11 million plus. Yes. And then that's bidding documents. Plus, I mean, we open the financial component. Switch to that technical component.
The same with copy one.
You shall proceed. The table of contents. You design financial form. Then accomplish price schedule. The certificate. Okay, so settle. Let's examine the bid offer. The amount is 1,597,000 pesos only. 1,597,000.00. Variance is negative 2.65%. In being a loan bidder, third state office supplies and equipment trading is the lowest bid, subject for further bid evaluation and post qualification. Okay, wala na. Yan na tayo.
Mr. Chair. Yes. Yeah, no.
That's the second.
Okay.
And speaks tomorrow and repeat on March 7th, right? And also consider for consulting services. For DPWH on March 6th, first day. Additional. That's all.
Okay, noted. Any more? Announcement, none?
No more, Mr. Chair. So, Mr. Chair, I, since there are no more matters to be discussed, I move that this procurement activity be adjourned.
Any motion? Okay, so moved in seconded, so the motion is approved. This procurement activity is hereby adjourned. Thank you.
And